So Shades of Lola is an Afrocentric line that features an array of eclectic, bold, and unique pieces. Joining us this morning is founder of Shades of Lola, Leonie Lawrence. Good morning. Welcome to Smile
Good morning to you. Thank you so much for having me.
First of all, what inspired Shades of Lola? I'm seeing more and more boutiques and stylists going Afro. So what inspired you and Shades of Lola?
Well, Delia, I really wanted something that resonated with the audience. And Shades of Lola, basically, it connects us to our history, our African history. It's something that's contemporary, and it also gives homage, I guess you could say, to the motherland. So those countries or nations that are underrepresented.
Right.
So that's something I wanted to bring to the forefront, as well as bring this diversity to the fashion industry that we have here.
All right, so like I said, there are a lot of people who are now going Afro already.
Yes.
What distinguishes Shades of Lola?
Well, if you look at my designs, you'll never see these anywhere else. I mean, the zippers are the key features of my design.
Okay.
So almost every one of my stand-up clutches has zippers in them, and you'll never see that. It's very functional, and it appeals to a wide range of audience. For example, a sophisticated audience, you want a night out, you have something such as a stand-up clutch. If you're somebody who is on the move, you just need something to go out with the girls, then we have the fold-over. And if it's a daytime wear, we can also dress up the shoulder bags, but the straps are removable.
Okay.
So it has those features that, you know, it appeals to every
If you
single...
want to clutch it, you clutch it. If you want to put it over your shoulder, you put it over your shoulder.
Exactly.
All right, so those are, and clutches have been in for a while. I mean, have they ever gone out? Because I think they're a great accessory. If you wear something plain, a clutch can, you know, make it bold for you or change just the whole tone of what you're wearing. So talk to me about the fabric. Because I'm seeing different types of fabric for the clutches. So what are the different types?
So all my fabrics are sourced in Africa, as you had introduced earlier.
A specific part or different parts?
Different parts, Western Africa in particular.
Okay.
So this one in particular came from Mali. And you know, this is the mud cloth. It's known in Mali.
Yes, we had some mud cloth on Friday.
Oh, yes?
Yeah, Jackie was here with mud
great.
cloth. Right.
And then this one we have from Ghana. You see the kente print, the kente cloth. So each of them come from different parts of Africa, and it's distinctive. It represents that nation, and it's just a whole lot of history.
So you have fabric, is that leather?
Yes, so I've done vegan leather, cruelty-free, and I've mixed that with the zipper and fabric.
Vegan leather?
Vegan leather.
Talk to me about what that means.
So because of the idea of cruelty-free, and we're trying to be safe in terms of our production, we decided not to use authentic leather, which involves, you know, slaughtering of animals.
Okay.
So we decided to use something that's synthesized, or synthesis leather, synthetic leather, sorry.
Synthetic leather.
Right, and that's how vegan leather came about.
Vegan leather came about.
Yes.
All right, so we have leather, we have different types of fabric. That looks like crocus.
It is, right. Because it's known in Jamaica, it's very popular. So I decided to use a variety of materials that it's common to us and easily accessible. And then I've mixed again with the prints and played around with the patterns.
Okay, so you import the material for most of it.
Yes.
And then you create the designs on your own. That's what you're saying.
That's what I do.
Awesome, awesome, Leonie. All right, so let's talk about, along with the purses, these are the things also that can help you to make the kinds of statements that you want to make.
Yes.
So talk to me about the neck pieces.
So whenever I travel, I try to source works from artisans that just reflects a different culture. And so I look for beads and metal and stones and paintings, because this one is actually a metal and hand-painted patina piece. So I try to look for those pieces that are just statement and they speak for themselves.
I'm going to remove this a bit.
Okay, no problem.
All right. So I'm going to walk across. So this is
right, so that's a
hand-painted.
patina.
I'm waiting on. That's hand painted. I'm gonna just raise it here. Cool. All right. So that's that. Talk to me about this piece.
That one is wood and acrylic.
Wood and acrylic.
Right. So we try to use natural elements to bring the pieces together.
Okay. It's nice, and it's on both sides.
Yes.
So you can wear it with a gold there, or you can go, well, there's wood on one side. All right, so you can wear it on two sides. It has two different designs on both sides.
Yes, yes.
All right, so that's wonderful. And the others are mainly metal?
The others are metal, yes. Metal and stone.
Metal and stone. All right, so you were telling me earlier about this Ghanaian piece.
Yes, yes. So it's this bold piece with the bead. The beaded design is what speaks to the culture of Africans. You know, everything we try to weave beads into. And this piece in particular is a Ghanaian piece, one of my favorites actually. And it's stunning. I mean, you could wear a simple outfit, put this on, and everything comes together.
Yeah. I like the way they've infused, they've not lost their culture in the contemporary styles, because this would probably have been a traditional tribal piece.
Yes.
And to have it move into contemporary fashion kind of maintains that connection to culture. And so I really, really like to see pieces like this. This metal, what type of metal?
So that's oblong metal.
Oblong.
Right. So we've used lead, and they've crafted the lead in such a way that gives it almost like a leaf shape.
Right.
So it just adds to the whole dynamics, and the chain straps are thick.
Yeah.
So it wouldn't be that type of chain that you put on and it changes if you go out in the sun
May I
or
beg
water
you though,
touches
if it changes, it
No,
would be
high quality
unfortunate.
stuff. So.
All right, and we have beads here.
Beads
Where do we find
again.
Shades of Lola?
So we are on Instagram at _shadesoflola_. And also you can contact me, 775-3652. That's my phone number. And you can send me a WhatsApp, and I have delivery all over the island, so it's convenient.
Awesome. Founder of Shades of Lola, Leonie Lawrence, showing us her amazing pieces this morning. And coming up next, we sit down with Guardian's top performing pep boy and girl. We'll be right back.